Alright, here we have some air conditioners that are running, including this old Ruud heat pump. It's currently running. And over here's the old Goodman, which is running.
See here, model number is on the Goodman CPKJ36-1A, serial number 0105477954.
I believe that's 2001 Goodman, that means. Here's the old Ruud. That panel's completely faded. Still running though. Here's the ICP. He's currently running. Where's the panel? Don't tell me he's up under there. I honestly don't know, but this Goodman is off. You got a spider web here, but I have another video of these units while they're all off. So if you want to go look, see what that guy says, it's down in there. And this guy is a heat pump, if I recall correctly. Yeah, it looks like he's a heat pump. Can't really get that good of a look down in there, but if I recall correctly, he's like a heat pump. I believe all these are heat pumps, so yeah. Here we have a couple of older Goodmans from like 2001, an ICP and an old Ruud that are currently running. Over and out.